Hello, hope everybody is in the best of health. In this video, we'll be looking at how to make money online by watching videos, for example, watching YouTube videos from anywhere in the world. The app that we'll be using is CLIPCLaps, as you can see right here, and it's available both on iPhone and Android device. All you'll have to do is simply download the app. Once you have downloaded the app and signed up with your email address, you will be led to this page. And from here, by simply tapping on a video, for example, this video right here, by simply tapping on the video, during the process of watching the video, you will see some coins drop in a container right here, and you can simply tap on it to claim it. And the longer the video is, or the longer you watch the video, as you can put videos on repeat, the more coins you will be making. And for example, if you should claim over 1,000 coins, that will be 1 cent. And you can withdraw your coins via PayPal. And there are other ways how you can make money using this app by simply tapping on rewards, as you can see right here. And from here, you can see different tasks that you'll be able to do and earn money. As you can also play games and also do bounty tasks. There are numerous options on how to make money with CLIPCLaps. So once you have downloaded the app, you can simply start playing some games or watching videos. And again, to withdraw is quite easy, as you'll simply tap on your current tokens at the top right here. Once you have tapped on your current tokens, you are going to tap on cash. Then you are going to tap on the question sign. Then you are going to see how to use cash to get reward. You'll tap on that and you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to convert your clap coins to cash. And once you have done that, you can tap on the 3 dashes in the top right hand corner and select cash out. And from here, you will see PayPal, or you can select mobile recharge or gift card or diamond. And if you select PayPal, if I should select cash out right now, you can see that their minimum withdrawal limit is $15. So you can see once you have earned over $15, you'll be able to withdraw. And that, I think, will take you quite a few hours. To earn a cent, that took me about 5 minutes. So it's going to take you a while if you want to earn $15. But if you have spare time, you can definitely use this app to earn some money. So it's definitely worth giving a try. If you found this video helpful and informative on my review of CLIPCLaps and also how to make money online by watching YouTube videos, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, as I will be releasing daily videos on how to make money online.